Graphing inequalities require dotted solid lines for shading. Use a solid line when the inequality is less than or greater than. Use a dotted or dashed line when the inequality is less than or greater than. So pick a point to shade. Or you may get Y alone to decide where to shade. Remember, when you graph these, you have to always shade. So what I like to do is my XY intercepts. So x-intercept is going to be x is equal to 4, so 4, 0. My y-intercept, if I solve this, would be 0, -2. If you're struggling with seeing where those came from, when you plug in 0 for this, you would have x is equal to 4, and this would be -2y is equal to 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plot those 2 points, 4, 0, and 0, -2. Now, because this inequality is here, I'm going to dash my line. So I'm going to take up a straight edge, so this is clear and easy to see. Connect my 2 points. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to test a point. I'm going to plug in 0, 0. So I'm going to have 0, 0 is my test point. Okay. So 0 minus 2 times 0 is that less than 4. Is 0 less than 4? That is true. Since this is true, I'm going to shade this side. Okay. Next one. Here. X-intercept, y-intercept. 2x equals 3 gives me the point of 3/2, 0. 3y equals 3 gives me the point of 0, 1. So 0, 1 is here. 1.50 is right here. And because this is equal to, I'm going to graph a solid line. Since I can pick 0, 0, I'm going to pick this point here, 0, 0, and I'm going to test it. So 2 times 0 plus 3 times 0, is that less than or equal to 3? Is 0 less than or equal to 3? That's true. So then I'm going to shade on this side. If it wasn't true when I did this, I would shade on the opposite side. All right. Let's jump up here to x equals 0. So on this point, 0, 0 is my x-intercept. And then I can pick any line as long as x is equal to 0. X equals 0 is this axis. So any y value I pick is going to be along this line. Since this is not equal to, I'm going to dash my line. And I can't pick 0, 0 because of this point. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to pick a point over here. I'm going to pick 3, 0. So testing 3, 0, plug in 3 for x, is 3 greater than 0? That's true. So I'm going to shade this way. All right. I'm going to do the next one. So the next one, my test point, or my intercepts, I have x is equal to -2, so -2, 0. And then I have -2y equals -2. So y equals 1, so my point is 0, 1. So 0, 1, negative 2, 0. It's a dashed line. Connect these 2 points. Since I can choose 0, 0 as a test point, I'm going to plug it in. 0 minus 2 times 0 is greater than negative 2. Is 0 greater than negative 2? That's true since I tested this point. I'm going to shade down here.